Today, we'll be finding the value of x using this diagram. Don't forget that this diagram is not drawn to scale. So now the first I'm going to do with this is that here you can see that I'm drawing a line to join angle A and angle F. Okay, so now if this line is drawn, you can see that these two are now isosceles triangle. So I can name this angle, I can give this angle beta, and this can also what can be my angle beta. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do so that we can have an isosceles triangle there. Now if that is done, don't forget the rule that talks about the exterior angle theorem, that says that if you have this kind of triangle, okay, so and here you are having A, here you have B, and the exterior angle is C. So the rule says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So that means that the sum of the interior angles can be equal to the what? The sum of the exterior angle. Now, applying the same rule to this, we can see using E. Here, let's look at A, F, and E. So this can be considered as our exterior angle in this regard, so which is at E. So now adding these two interior angles together, so this can be angle 2 beta. Okay, this can be angle 2 beta by adding the sum of the interior angles together. Now the next thing we're going to do is that, now let's look at this angle D. You can see that this is a square, right? And this form angle 90. So if this form angle 90, one thing you can take note of is that our CD is the same thing as AD. So that means this can be 45 degree. This can also be what? 45 degree, which is congruent. So at the same time, we can see that the triangle ADF is congruent to what? Triangle CDF. So the triangle ADF, because this forms a new triangle, okay? If you look at ADF, it forms a what? A new triangle. Is what? Is congruent to what? CDF. Now, what can we gain from there is that if that is possible, then we can say that the angle X, this angle X is what? Is the same thing as what? As angle beta. Okay, since they are congruent. Now, here we can say that angle X is the same thing as what? At angle beta. Now, we've been able to establish that this is the same thing as what? Angle beta. Now, after we've established that, don't forget the rules of parallelogram also, that says that if you have your A here and you have this to be B, then A equals to B, which is known as what? Alternate angle. Now, considering this line which is parallel to this line, line AD is parallel to line CB. So considering that, and we have this line bisecting it, okay, so we have this. This shows that this DEF, this 2 beta is what? Is alternate to this. Okay, so we can establish that this forms what is called alternate angle. And don't forget, like I told you, this is a square. So this shows that here also we have this as what? At angle 90. Everything here as angle 90. So what can we establish from there? It shows that what? X plus 2 beta equals to 90. So, and my X has been established to be beta. So here I can have 3 beta equals to 90 dividing by 3. Then my beta is 30 degree. My beta is 30 degree. So if beta is 30 degree, that shows what? My x is the same thing as beta, which is the same thing as 30 degree. Finally, we have 30 degree. Thank you very much for watching my videos. You can put your observation in the comment section. See you next time.